Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable link previews on WhatsApp Web on your PC after the new update. This is a simple process that will allow you to see a preview of the content you're sharing before you send it, making your conversations more informative and engaging. So, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC using your preferred web browser. Make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp Web to access all the newest features. Once you have WhatsApp Web open, look at the left side menu. You'll see a few icons there. Click on the gear icon, which will take you to the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll see several options. Click on Privacy to access your privacy settings. This is where you can control various aspects of your WhatsApp privacy, including link previews. Now, in the privacy settings, look for the option labeled Disable Link Previews. If the box next to it is checked, it means that link previews are currently disabled. To enable them, simply uncheck the box. And that's it. You've successfully enabled link previews on WhatsApp Web. Now, when you share links in your chats, a preview of the content will automatically appear, giving you and your contacts a better understanding of what the link is about before clicking on it. If you don't see a link preview immediately, make sure you're using the full URL, including HTTP or HTTPS. Also ensure that the website you're linking to supports link previews. Some websites may not generate previews due to technical reasons. If you're still experiencing issues, you can try a quick trick. Edit the message, delete the last character of the URL, wait for the preview to appear, and then retype the deleted character. This can sometimes force WhatsApp to generate the link preview. Enabling link previews can significantly enhance your WhatsApp experience, making it easier to share and understand content. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other tech platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.